Hello everyone and welcome. In this session we will learn how to size fire sprinkler pipes using Dynamo. The most efficient method is to size the network based on the flow value by changing the system type temporary. Start by assuming a default flow value for each sprinkler. It is not required to be logical. I will choose 1 liter per second. Make sure that all sprinklers has the same value. Then hover the cursor over any element. Then click Tab 3 times to select the system. The current piping system is fire protection wet. Delete it temporary. Then from the end of the network feeding pipe, draw a small pipe after choosing a new piping system, which is the domestic cold water. The system of the entire network is now the domestic cold water. Therefore, the flow value will appear for each pipe. Select the new system again and click on System Inspector, then on Inspect. Now make sure that each pipe has a flow value, matches the count of mounted sprinklers on it. This step is very important because the network sizing will be based on the flow. If you encounter an issue, you might divide the network or manually adjust the sizes of the incorrect sections at the end. For instance, if the pipe holds 3 sprinklers, the flow value has to be 3. This statement is correct for all the branches in my network. Now I will inspect the main feeding line. Its flow rate has to be the largest value of the network. Here it is 111 liter per second, and equals the total sprinklers count multiplied by the flow of each one. Now open the Dynamo script from the second class of Learning Python in Dynamo. Keep only the Python node which contains a code for sizing fire pipes at the Ordinary Hazard class, then change the Run mode to Manual. Then add the Select Model Elements node and the Filter by Category node from the Springs package. Then link them with category for sprinklers and another one for pipes. Now for each pipe, get the flow value by using the Get Parameter Value by Name node and a string value with flow word inside. Repeat this for only a single sprinkler because they all have the same flow value by using the List First Item node. Then select all model elements. Now divide each pipe flow rate on the flow rate value of the sprinklers. This will give you the total count of sprinklers mounted on each pipe. Use the Set Parameter Value by Name node to apply the new sizes for pipes. Link it to pipes and a parameter called diameter. Then use Watch node to see the results of the Python code. It is obvious that the Python code has no issues, and the new sizes are logical. Therefore, you can link the output value and run the script again, then save it. Back to Revit, we still have 2 issues. The first one is the wrong system and the second one is the fitting sizes. Start by deleting the current piping system by hovering the cursor over any element, then click Tab 3 times and then delete. Now draw a small pipe at the feed line end to add the fire protection wet pipe system. For the second issue, select all the pipes and fittings. Then click on Reapply Type. This option will resize all the fittings automatically. Now the network completed successfully. This is the end. Thank you.